Hello, we are going to learn how can we develop a simple good looking website or blog using wordpress.com. Okay, in this video we are going to develop a website or blog using Android application of WordPress. We can also use mobile browser or desktop or laptop. We can do this from desktop or laptop, but it we can get some difficulties while using with mobile browser. So it's good to get start with Android application or desktop browser. So I'm using Android application for this. We can easily create any website or a good blog using the Android application of WordPress. So just install from the Google Play Store, and after the installation I have already installed in my mobile phone, and when you open it will look like this, and you will get this kind of interface. After the installing of WordPress application in your mobile, you have to just register or login. If you are registered, just go with the login. Okay, continue with wordpress.com. I'm using continue with Google option. Okay, after this choose your email ID, and this will show all of your blogs or websites that you have created with the WordPress application or wordpress.com. Okay, wordpress.com gives the hosting facility too, and for the hosting facility we can purchase hosting from here. If we are going with the free plan, there is no need to pay, but you will get some advertisements on your blog or website, or and you will get .wordpress.com domain. So that shows this is hosted by WordPress. So in this video we are going to learn how can we start a free website at beginning. So let's do done button. Okay, and we want to create a new site. So just click on plus. Here are two options. First option says create wordpress.com website, means you want to host your website or blog with the WordPress itself, and second option says that you have WordPress content management system CMS, and you have hosted on some other website like GoDaddy or somewhere else. So in my case I'm choosing the first one. Otherwise I would select the second one. So for the first option I want to host with the WordPress also. So you can select any template from here to get started with your blog or website. There are many of the templates are free and many of the templates are paid here. Okay, so you can go according to your interest or your domain idea. Otherwise let's skip it right now. Okay, search domains. You have to search the domain you want to go with. Okay, like you are starting any blog for the preparation purpose. So how can you start? Let's take preparation. Okay, let's say take preparation only. Okay, this is unavailable, so some other guy are using this wordpress.com domain. We need to change it. Let's take preparation 1. Otherwise you can choose according to your business idea, your shop idea, or your educational idea, anything that you want to start with. Okay, this is also unavailable. make some other changes. Preparation. Okay, let's make it hub. Let's see, is it available or not. It is also not available. Hub 1. Okay, this is available. You can and WordPress is also giving other suggestions here also. You can go with them. Okay, like this self preparation hub 1, text preparation hub 1, test preparation hub 1. Okay, let's go with this domain from the suggestions self preparation hub 1.wordpress.com. After selecting the domain, free domain.wordpress.com and create site. Okay, we have just created our website, and this is the preview of this site right now. Okay, it will look like this. We can make changes, we can customize this after the launching also. So let's continue now. Okay, want a little help getting started. Okay, let's accept or otherwise. Okay, let's accept the help. WordPress is saying us to customize your website. Set your title name. Okay, for the title name, according to our blog domain, we write the title like self preparation hub. Okay, for example, this is the site name. Okay, now WordPress is giving suggestion to upload a site icon. Okay, I do not have any site icon right now. If you have, you can upload here. Okay, here you can upload. Okay, the third suggestion is to edit your home page. If you want to make edits to your home page, just click on this, and it will redirect you to the pages option. So you will find your home page here, site pages and home. Okay, click on home, and you see your content here, and you can edit from here. If you want to remove images, you want to make changes to the text, you can do from here. And you can add also new blocks in the page, like you can add paragraphs, heading, you can add some lines that are showing more button, images, video. You can add a page break, you can add with a separator, list, quotes, media text, pre-formatted. Almost all the required components are available in this list. Okay, if you are using desktop or laptop, you will get some other features, some other blocks or components here also. So many of the components does do not support on the mobile interface. Okay, if you are working with laptop or desktop, you are in a big chance to make a better website. Otherwise, many of the requirements, almost 99%, are going to be covered from here. Okay, after making the changes, update this. Okay, update. After updating this home page, okay, let's go back, and according to the WordPress suggestions, review site pages. Okay, this is the pages option. Here home page, about page, blog page and contact pages are available. These 4 pages are available in our website, in this blog. And let's see how can we create a new blog post. So okay, for creating a new blog post or page, we need to click here on the plus button. Okay, if you want to create a blog post or a site page or a story post, choose as you want. I'm going with blog post. So our blog is about self preparation, so I want to write some study tips, and you can write anything that you want to publish. Okay, let's see. We are going to discuss some tips here in this article. Okay, let's keep it short and concise, otherwise video will get long. So this is our basic blog article. We can add any of the blog component, images, heading, paragraphs. We can make it more beautiful and good looking. Otherwise, after doing all the stuff, after writing your article here, you will need to publish. So you can set some categories, like we have created a new category, study tips. Okay, add category, and next time when we are going to add any article with study tips, we can just go with this category. And let's set the tag also. Okay, let's give the tag name also same as the category tips, otherwise study help in maths. Okay, and publish now after this. Okay, our post is uploaded. We can, okay, let's see our website how will look like on the internet. So this will look like this. Okay, self preparation hub. We did not make any changes, otherwise you will see your changes here. So study tips is our first article. Okay, this is working well, and it is very customized. Okay, this is published by Kuldeep and all. So everything, all the components are working well, and your WordPress website or your WordPress blog is ready in the 14 to 15 minutes maximum. Okay, so let's see what you build with wordpress.com. Okay, thank you.